Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to change your font on your iPhone, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your fonts on your iPhone, first open the settings of your iPhone, and after opening the settings, scroll down until you can spot the general option available for us. Tap on that general, and over here guys, again you'll be required to scroll down, and over here guys, just below the keyboard option there is the fonts option available for us. Now in order to change your font, let's tap on the fonts option over here, and guys, all of your available fonts on your iPhone will be available over here. If there are none of the fonts available just like this, you might want to go to the App Store and install or get some of the fonts for your iPhone. To do that guys, let's tap on the search button at the bottom right corner of your iPhone and search for fonts. And after you have searched for fonts on the keyboard section of your on the App Store of your iPhone, you can see all of the fonts available or compatible for your iPhone will be available on this list. And if you want to choose any of those fonts, you can just tap on the get button at the top right corner of each of these apps, or you can just go inside one of these fonts to explore if you like them or not, different kinds of things. And with that being said guys, after you have tapped on the get font available option over here, that font will be downloaded and installed on your iPhone and will be available on the font section of your iPhone. So guys, in order to install it after it has been downloaded and installed on your iPhone, you will be able to change the default fonts of your iPhone from over here after installing it guys, I'm saying. And with that being said guys, this is how you change your fonts on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.